go inside, and then our tour is about to start. We have a short briefing before we go to the live crocodiles. And by the way, if you want to take a picture, here in the lobby with the skeleton, you can come back later after our tour. Okay? Alright, everyone, so good afternoon and mabuhay. So welcome to Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. So this is commonly known as Crocodile Farming Institute or CFI. So the gathering here is only 10 to 15 minutes. And after our tour, if you want to take picture with the crocodile, you can proceed there to the photo booth located at the exit area, and that is only for 60 pesos. And then the picture gives information about this skeleton, and this is his real skin. So this is Rio, a male saltwater crocodile, which was caught in the Rio Tuba River, Batarasa, and that is in the southern part of Palawan. He was purposely captured because he attacked and killed a native fisherman from the area, and it was confirmed that he swallowed only the right leg of the victim. He was captured in August 4, 1990, but after 5 months in captivity, he died because of internal bleeding and too much stress. And it's about 6 years old when he died, 6-0. So for the skin, there's no commercial value anymore because ideas for making leather bags, shoes, wallets, belts, and other are the skin of the young crocodiles, which is about 3 to 5 years old only. Everyone, if you notice the skin of Rio, it is too hard for the machine to be processed. But here in captivity, we're not allowed to kill any kinds of crocodiles to make crocodile products. We're here to conserve them, especially for the Philippine crocodiles, because now they're considered as a critically endangered. So we conserve them, and then after 5 years, they're releasing back them to the wild. And everyone, so by the way, before Rio has selected to be the largest crocodile captured from the wild, nowadays, Lolo holds the record. Lolo had been recognized by the Guinness Book of World Record as the largest crocodile in captivity with 20.3 feet long, around 6 meters. While Rio, 17.6 feet, around 5 meters. Lolo is almost 1 meter longer than Rio. But he's not from Palawan. Lolo came from Agusan Marsh in Mindanao. He was captured on September 3, 2011. But last February 2013, he also died, and then now he was displayed in National Museum in Manila. So our next station, everyone, will be the hatching house. And there we will see young crocodiles about 1 to 5 years old. But for your safety, inside of that area, please hands off. So do not put your hands at least inside the tongues of the baby crocodiles, because even though they're still young, but they can jump by and cut off your fingers. And then you have your camera and cell phones. You can take pictures anywhere, but inside of hatching house, please kindly turn off your flash to minimize the stress of the young crocodiles. And lastly, as we go to the pens of the big crocodiles, and there, we will see almost same size of Rio. Please take care with things not to fall inside the pens, because we don't know how to manufacture you. Okay? So please careful. The guided tour is only 10 to 15 minutes, so let's go to the live crocodiles. This way, please. Alright, everyone, so we have additional information or trivias about the crocodiles. And then from here, so that is the information about the difference between crocodile and alligator. So everyone, alligator is also part of crocodilian family. But we don't have here in the Philippines because they cannot survive in the tropical countries. Alligator can only be found in the temperate countries like United States and then China. But one of the difference between the crocodile and alligator are the snout. Because the snout of alligator is like a U shape, while the crocodile is like a V shape. And saltwater crocodile is bigger than alligator because the maximum size of the saltwater crocodile is up to 6 to 7 meters, while the alligator 3 to 4 meters. But everyone here in the Philippines, we have 2 species or 2 kinds of crocodile. Saltwater crocodile or Indo-Pacific crocodile, and we have freshwater crocodile or the Philippine crocodile. Everyone, Philippine crocodile was first discovered in Mindoro, and that's why their scientific name, Crocodylus mindorensis. And Philippine crocodile is one of the smallest crocodile in the whole world because their maximum size is only 2 to 3 meters. So everyone, this is the viewing area for the small crocodiles. Again, for your safety, please hands off. Crocodiles have 6 to 6 pound feet. And then for the safety of the small crocodiles, please kindly turn off your flash if you want to take pictures.